We don't use daylight savings. Oh, you don't? Wow. I was wondering to myself, oh, he's in Hawaii. Maybe he doesn't use daylight savings time. Oh, but wait, that's the US. Of course they changed their clocks. But it's not the contiguous United States. That's your word for today, is contiguous. Because how often do you get to say the word contiguous? Perhaps Gutson says it more often than I do. Or we'd probably say mainland. But since the rest of the country does, we have to adjust for things like TV show times. Okay. See? We're gonna get you. You're gonna conform eventually. Okay, let me give you your shout out. Where are my manners? I've been slack on my shout outs. Gutson the Beautiful is a gamer streamer. What have you been streaming lately, Gutson? It was Yakuza last time that we talked. Am I dating myself? Am I proving how long it's been since the last time I was on your stream? I apologize. It has been a long time. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Still Yakuza-ing. Still playing Yakuza. Alright, so this left shoulder could use a little bit more definition. More definition for this. You don't realize these things until you have to ink it. You have to make penciling decisions as an inker. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a angled look, drawing curves with straight lines. And then we're going to all the black areas behind it. You don't have outlines in nature, but you do have contrast in nature. You do have light against dark items. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to make curvy lines here, curves, just like Lombard Street. If you know what I'm talking about, Lombard Street in San Francisco. Crookedest street in the world. In the world. Crookedest street in the world. Was there a long time ago. I was in San Francisco back in 1993. That shows my age. I took pictures back in 1993, and back then we did not have digital photography. We had film photography, the same kind of camera that you take and hand to the camera department, and they take the negatives and they make photos on paper. I lost that camera. I lost all the photos in that camera, so I never got to see the photos that I took. Sad story. So that's why I invented the digital camera. True story. Okay, not true story. Get ready for the ads. The ads will be starting in 4 minutes. So let's see how that shoulder looks. I'm starting to regret my actions. So Easter is coming. Easter is coming in... This will be the 31st. Today's the 6th. It's going to be 25 days. Easter's coming in 25 days. Are you ready? Are you ready for Easter? I need to talk to my wife about what we're actually going to do on Easter. Are we going to... I think I already had this conversation. I think I already said this out loud. Stop me if you've heard this before. Stop me if you've ever stop me. Stop me if you've ever heard the song before. Stop me if I'm singing this badly. Can't stop it. Can't stop it.